Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to change the start switch in your dryer model. The reason why I'll be changing out this switch is if the components inside of the switch have shorted out, it's not allowing you to start the dryer. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a pair of needle nose pliers. Before doing any repair, please disconnect your appliance from its power source. In order to begin our repair, we're going to have to locate where the start switch would be. So you're going to look for the push to start on your dryer model. Wherever you find where the on and off knob is, that's where the start switch is going to be, and it's going to be inside of this control. To begin our repair, we're just going to remove the knob off of the shaft. Once you remove the knob, you're going to have to remove the dryer from the wall or whatever crevice it is in, and you're going to have to turn it around to gain access to the back. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, we're going to remove the screws on the back panel of the dryer. Once all the screws have been removed from the back panel, you're going to slide it out and remove it. So normally for this repair, you're going to have to slide out the top panel assembly and lay it flat on the dryer. But because of the way our model is set up, we're just going to be able to turn the switch and pull it out. So just keep that in mind when you're watching this repair. The start switch is going to be located right here. In order to remove it from the top panel assembly, we're going to take the switch and turn it counterclockwise until it pops out of that front panel assembly. Next, we're going to disconnect the wire harness from the start switch. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, we're just going to disconnect this black wire from the switch as well. Grab your new OEM replacement start switch. If you don't have one of these start switches already, you can find one on our online store. Next, we're going to take our new switch and we're going to line up this white tab with this opening right here. We do that by first setting in the switch, and then we're going to turn it clockwise until it locks in. Now we'll pull on the switch just to make sure that's locked into place. Next, we're just going to reattach the wires that we took off previously. And make sure they're tight onto the switch. We're going to replace that back panel that we took off. So once you screwed in the back panel into place, you can go ahead and set your dryer back into position. We're just going to replace the knob that we took off previously, and your repair is complete. If you need any of the parts we mentioned in this video, you can find the specific replacement on our website using your part number or your model number. Thanks for watching our video. Your support is what allows us to keep creating this free content for you to enjoy. Please like, comment, or share, and if you really liked our video, please subscribe down below.